As promised, show you the room here at the Spring Hill Suites. As soon as you walk in, you have your nice little microwave, coffee, refrigeration stage here. Some tea and some coffee right there. You have a couch with a little chase attached, lamps secured here. Nice little work area. And of course, if you want water, you could drink the water. This is what's going to come off your card. TV, which wasn't the easiest thing to work. It's about I don't know, 32 or whatever. But the angle that it was on, when I'm in the bed, it was a little hard to get it to respond to the remote. But no big deal for me. So that was one section you saw was the coffee. And in this area, you had this little sink, mirror action, the train. They said there's the bed, couple of reading lamps there, phone, plugs all over. I didn't even open up the closet. Extra blanket, little storage. Right, iron board and everything, which I should have used. Because, you know, anything about a cruise ship, either they have an iron on board, or they got one on one floor or whatever. It's just hard to get to. Here's a shower area. Very nicely done. Overall, I like the hotel. It's part of the medical center, Miami Medical Center neighborhood. So even though everything is pretty close, as you see a couple towers, here's my view, by the way, which still matter. I don't care for the view. Even though it's pretty close to everything, it's, you know, if you don't mind doing a couple steps, you'll have to get to where you want to be as far as restaurants and the Biscayne Bay. What's the other? Oh, I went last night. Bayside Market. South Beach is about 6 miles away. So nothing's far. I recommend this hotel. And you know, it's open pretty late as far as getting food and everything as well. So I'm gonna check out now. Got my luggage is here. My daughter I forgot. I'm always forgetting something. So today was my deodorant, or it's in that suitcase somewhere, and I just can't locate it. But they got me some more deodorant. You know, I'm not afraid to share it, y'all. I don't walk around stinking.